Hey guys.
Hey man, long time no see you. What's up?
Well, this Sunday will be my birthday and I want to make a party.
Ah, nice. What kind of party?
Will be a barbecue. There is a forest near the city and we'll be there. Okay, only has a problem. We can't go by car, so we need to walk.
Okay, no problem.
Hey guys, where is your bunny?
I think he's there.
Oh yeah, it's here. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, Giovanni. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Get some drinks.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. That meat's very good.
I agree.
Hey, do you remember Bruno?
Yeah, that strange guy from school.
Yeah, that's one. Wednesday I was throwing some paper balls and with Lucas. Then he got angry with us and shouted stop. It was funny because his voice when he shouted is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's really ridiculous.
Call my girlfriend. She will come here.
Man, she's cheating you.
What? Are you crazy?
She's making you dizzy.
Ah, are you kidding?
She wanted to have sex with me. She's a bitch.
I will kill you!
Man,
Hold on, you're right. I'm sorry.
I don't want to stay here more.
Hey, wait.
Man, this party is really boring.
Why? We like it.
Well, we come to a forest to make a barbecue. There is no sense. There is just stupid people there. Let's go with me.
Come on, it will be ridiculous with Giovanni. It's her birthday. It's his birthday.
Ah, you always prefer them than me. Bye.
Let's celebrate this special day for Giovanni, a great friend that will have a great future, and so our group of friends that will always be together.
Thank you. Come on, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys.
Hold on, guys. I'll find the tree and then I'll be back.
Can't you wait?
No.
Man, he's taking too long.
I will see what's happened. Where are you? Oh my god! Peeps, it's not fucking livable. Are you dead? Oh man. Someone help me, please. Please. I need some help. No!
Where is Daniel? He's late. I don't know.
Help! Help!
Did you hear that scream? It's here. Run! Oh my gosh. Look at this.
I fica Gibson.
That is Daniel.
Oh God!
Oh Lord.
Wake up, man! Daniel!
I will call the police. There is no signal.
Me too!
No head, no head.
Go!
Hello? It's police. There is a man kill people in the forest. Help! Uh, what we have to do? Okay, we are going to leave. Bye.
What happened? They come!
We have to leave this forest. Now!
Go! Strange. Why the killer don't attack us?
I don't know. Who do you think is doing it?
The most probably is that it was Lucas, but he wouldn't do that, would he?
Only if he is crazy, because we only speak about his girlfriend.
It's really strange.
Look, the police.
Hey guys, I'm here to help you. What can I do for you?
Can you please take us off the forest, please?
Okay, I'll take you to the city.
Let's stop, please. I'm tired.
5 minutes on.
Fernando, behind you.
What?
Ah, ah, ah. Shot him!
Damn it, Giovanni! Let's carry him.
Let's carry him.
He's so heavy. Watch out! Stop, please! Stop!
No!
Lucas, you are the assassin.
No, I forget my cell phone. I can't believe that I forgot my cell phone. Let's get that. Where's body? What is that scream? It's Daniel. Oh my gosh. Who is that guy who killed Daniel Impson? Damn, he saw me. Betrayal, and I saw you being killed by him. Survive. No man, my gosh.
Unfortunately. He's dead.
What is that? What we can do? Oh,
I don't
the
know.
boss. Oh my gosh.
Look! No, I'm alone again! Who are you? Why are you doing that?
Oh, so don't you remember?
Bruno!
You deserve this for what everything that you did for my life.
Bruno, sorry for all this. You can't stop now. Revenge accomplishes nothing.
You're sorry, will serve for anything. Die!
Man,
Giovanni, my time has come.
no, man. No. No.
Don't worry. The death is only the start of a new life. Remember, always remember that.
Giovanni. Lucas. Eles.
Hi. This movie is very sad, but this was the intention. We try to show how bullying can destroy futures.
We expect that you like this movie. We made it with fountains.